Smini is a rechargeable, super lightweight and comfortable headlamp. Optimal for daily runs and a smart backup light for races or lightweight trekking. Fitting in the palm of your hand, Smini is truly a light experience. Smini comes in two versions, Smini and the even more lightweight Smini Fly. They both share the same features, but come with different headbands and accessories. Both models are available in the colors black, rose and mint. Smini is made with circular design in focus and is a modular product made of recycled materials. Here on the inside you find a QR code which gives quick access to the product information. This makes it easier to pass it along to a new user and increase the lifetime of the product. A headlamp needs to have a good weight distribution to stay in place. In the Smini, the battery is placed behind the lamp, ensuring it stays tight against the forehead and has optimal weight balance. Smini comes with a slim and comfortable 15mm headband with silicone on the inside to prevent it from slipping. One buckle for smooth adjustment of the headband to fit your size. Smini Fly has a minimalistic and lightweight 3mm headband. It's adjusted like this. Both headbands are interchangeable and can be bought separately. If you would like a more lightweight headband for your Smini or vice versa, you can easily switch them like this. Smini has a light output of 250 lumen and features Silva intelligent light that combines a long-reach spotlight with a close floodlight. This prevents tunnel vision and helps you maximize speed and performance. The lamp is tiltable 90 degrees to avoid dazzling people you meet while running. It has a large power button that is easy to operate with one hand, even when wearing gloves. The lamp has 3 brightness levels. A short press starts the lamp in minimum mode. This is a 10 lumen mode that is useful for saving battery. Then you enter medium mode and finally max mode. You turn the lamp off by holding the power button for more than 1 second. When switching the lamp on or off, these 4 LEDs indicate the battery status. It also has a red light mode that is accessed by a long press of the power button from off mode. The red light is good for preserving your night vision. The lamp has a lock function to prevent it from starting by accident. From off mode, hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blinking LED turns constant red. Now it can't be started. To unlock, simply hold the button until the flashing red LED turns constant green. Now the lamp can be started as usual. During use, the lamp will go into power reserve mode when 10% of the battery remains. The lamp will flash shortly before it goes into this mode. Smini comes with a red rear safety light that has both constant and blink mode. It keeps you visible at night at a distance of up to 1000 meters. The rear light clips easily onto the headband, or for example a running vest. The rear light can also be bought separately and then comes with an included Velcro strap that can be used to attach the lamp to a helmet or a bike frame. Both headbands have reflective details for optimal visibility in darkness. The 15mm headband has reflective details in the logos, while the 3mm headband have reflective threads woven into the material itself. The lamp is rechargeable with USB-C. The charging port is located here. Use the included charging cable. The charging status is indicated by the 4 LEDs that turn green when fully charged. The rear light is charged in a similar way and has the charge indicator located here. It becomes green when fully charged. The lamps, including the charging ports, are water resistant and meets the IPX5 standard. This means you can be out in really bad conditions without the risk of damaging the gear. So, if you need a lightweight, rechargeable and water-resistant headlamp with perfect balance between weight and brightness, a lamp that lets you stay strong and safe whether you're running, hiking or racing against the clock, Smini is the choice for you.